Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's see what adventure we have for today, so stay tuned guys. Nice, we have one male guys. Ooh, right on the keys, baby. Let me have my jig bag. Here you have it guys, 1 minute. I told you, man. Come here.
If you can find a lot of numbers, it'll be good.
There you go.
It's a nice chrome one.
How are you? I told you there's a fish under the bridge.
It's a nice color.
I told you fish on Sean. Yeah, it's a nice color, right?
Yeah, it's nice. Nice size.
Yeah.
That just came up.
Combination with a jig and speed.
And a bead?
Yeah.
Probably went after the bead.
I'm sorry?
It probably went after the bead.
Yeah. Nice deed. And it's a male? Female.
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 You know.
What I do?
It's gone. It's still hooked, eh?
Yeah.
Play around like that.
Yeah. If you have a friend like this,
Yeah, like this. Because always he does. He always play
it's okay.
like
Let
that.
Let him play.
Huh?
He's gotta get it out of his system, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
You happy?
Of course, man. Who wouldn't be? So you're harvesting it?
Yes.
Okay.
How are you?
Good.
See, this is the fly at this time of the
I
year.
have.
Yeah.
They didn't bite.
Take a picture. Yeah.
Okay, Ronaldo. Good job.
Thank you very much.
See you. Yes,
Hey, see me.
because I go down fishing. That's why I say see you later.
Hold on. There you go.
Yes.
Grab it from here. I can't.
Rubber one?
No. I know, but I wanted to grab it from there. The picture. Don't lose it.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Don't worry about it. You need it.
Oh, you want to get
Oh, take it. Take a picture. Please. Yeah, sure.
Don't lose it.
Boys. Sean, come here.
The camera,
Yeah, of course, my friend.
You find the right spot and nice jig and some luck, all combination.
All combination, my friend. You're right.
See how the rod,
It's all a matter of luck.
tip of the rod bending,
Yeah.
nice fish. But it is female, huh?
Is it?
I think so again, yeah. Most of them,
No, it's a male.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ronaldo
I
is
love
so
you, my friend.
excited,
Of course.
enjoying like a crazy. And even you say to him right now, I get your jig for $100, he said, no way.
No way, man.
I don't sell it. This
It's
is
a male.
this is lucky jig.
Of course. And it's my first time using it. I love you are my luck.
buddy.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, this is a male. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. But nice size. You know.
There you go. This is for you
Nice.
guys.
Beauty.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. And he took it black jig.
Yeah. Yeah.
There you go.
What's wrong with you? Like always, you cannot keep the fish. I don't know. You have problem. Honestly. Even with net, you cannot. Even with net. Forget about keeping in your hand.
There you go. This black jig with a combination of don't put it too more close. With what do you call this?
Light
Yellow bead.
Okay, guys. I think he's asking for garbage bag $5.
Not even fighting.
Just be careful.
Yeah, it's very slippery.
I know.
It doesn't want to move.
Probably because it's big. Here, let me hold your rod for you, and then go over there. This is what you call active.
I have the buffet, man. I have the beads, white warm, everything on it.
Look at the band, man.
Is it a big fish or what?
Yeah, it is a big one. It's a big male. Oh yeah, beat up. Oh, beat up.
Oh, watch your head.
What's your head, Sean? Sean,
What is it?
it might hit you.
Pops out.
Yeah. Fish is a fish. Oh.
Yeah. It looks like
It looks like a salmon. There you go. Size of a salmon, eh?
Yeah.
Go back, boy. Awesome, awesome. Oh, big one, eh? Big mama. There you have it, guys. The day is done. I did well today. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you in the next episode, guys. And I'm gone.